importance in that certain space and time. So yeah.
Now we're done with the serious stuff. Let's get down to the juice.
Okay, what juice? You mean this juice?
I mean this juice.
Oh, honey.
No, listen. As much as the size of the industry, give us the juice. We know who's sleeping with
who there?
How am I?
Who's sleeping with who? Who's sleeping with whose wife?
But
I was not gonna put it like that.
oh my gosh.
I'm telling you.
Ingos.
What is this gentry?
Who's sleeping with whose wife?
He's just like, okay, I just want us I see negi cool, but give us the juice, give us the details. The inegi laundry, beg it up, because we know there's a lot happening.
I'm
There's a lot happening.
Guys, what thing you get? I'm saying that you put my gaham. I'm not to get juice. You let juice again.
Does it ever happen at any point that Konabats Palama rolls because of
Angas
or favors?
Other favors, bedroom favors?
Needs all up, young girl.
No, but I have to come through. Wow.
Listen.
But now you know behind the scenes.
Yes, it's just that we are not sure. But now that we have you here, you can just always confirm. We're not saying name and shame. We just want to know what other things like that. Actually, we know they are. When I'm just the inside details.
In thing I issue is every industry has its flaws.
Okay.
Every industry has low muntu ozothi ayisibanibani yabo. I mean, I've heard of stories like ukuthi kuyenzeka mina angikaze shem ngibe kuleyo position where
so you have not been approached.
No, shem akaze kube khona uproducer ozothi hey manje hayi sisi ngishona. La ngisebenza zonke lezi zinto engisebenza kuzona shem bangiphatha kahle. I've got no complaints. Yabo. I've never had ukuthi manje
stories though.
Yeah, I have heard stories, Shem. I have. I mean, I remember sasigi makeup umesho manje ukuthi ngani yami engiyalo ma ukuthi kule industry kanje. This is how it actually goes down, and you must try and stay firm.
Yeah.
Sure.
Because ungasho okay, we have Vuma for the show. And uproducer uzotshela omunye, and this is a very small industry. So next thing you know, uzothiwa ushameni hayi khuleka wena nawe mawufuna nje uzozama uzokwazi ukuthi akuzame uyayizwa leyo. So it happens njengoba ngishilo ukuthi in every industry, even naku matenda naku it's naku corporate, everywhere. Every industry
music
has, yes, in the music industry as well, it happens. Naku Hollywood igenze. But I just think that sometimes you need to look at the bigger picture and the long run as well. Good ish, okay. Because vele umuntu so desperate, and I'm not going to judge anyone.
Yeah.
Guys.
Is it true? Utusomesina is also like a gatekeeper, like.
Huh?
Like.
No,
I've heard. No, Uti, like he's a gatekeeper when it comes to that. He offers like our favors and stuff like that.
I don't know. Honestly, I wouldn't know. Guys, it's the first time hearing this.
No.
Yeah,
no, I've heard.
Yeah, you've heard.
Yeah, no, I think young industry or wonke umkhakha unokungcola kwakhona. Yeah. But it's just a matter of you knowing what you want and also looking at the bigger picture in the long run, and the type of person that you are. But I'm not judging anyone.
Yeah.
Because where guys get to the industry about this year, it has been really dry and quiet. So me asekufika ithuba athi usibanibani hey mpem awufuni ngikuzame njengoba ngikubona ukuthi ukwisimo esikanjeni You know, I mean, omunye umuntu naye angasho ukuthi okay, sobona ukuthi senza kanjani. Yabo, qala ungisayinisa
Would you
i-contract.
report someone though? I guess it's manje, there's a role that
Ufuna ngivaleleke amathuba omsebenzi.
I'm asking.
Yeah,
Cook, sis,
Would you
Let her cook. Let her cook.
Would you, if you had someone approaching you, and I guess it's one of the laba bakhulu ngebele, and they approach you and be like, Charmaine, you know, we can always talk behind the scenes. This is between me and you, you know. Would you report them, or would you just ignore the situation and be like, no, brother, thank you?
Okay, if you say umuntu omkhulu, like a producer, director.
No, I mean in company, like no matter, let's say you're shooting for Netflix. Yeah, we'll get to that.
It's a big bag. It's a big bag. It's a big bag.
And
yeah.
lalela isizobala.
Exactly.
Would you report it?
Or would you take the offer?
Would you consider
Hey,
it?
guys, don't fuck me hot seat.
No, like, to be quite honest. To be honest.
Honestly speaking.
And I'm sitting here.
You
as
do it.
I'm asking you, I'm also thinking, would I? You know, but I'm not saying I would or I wouldn't. But at the back of my mind, would I? Because as you mentioned, we're not judging anybody.
Yes.
You know, you just said it yourself.
Yeah.
It's been dry, and it dries easily, guys. Silambili.
Yeah.
So I'm seeing now it's nazi indodla nabo 0 bets, and I'm thinking, listen, Busha, you've been sitting the whole year. Would you do it? So listen, we won't judge the answer.
Personally,
we won't judge Charmaine. We just
no, I think personally, for Charmaine, I don't think I would do it.
Okay.
Ngiyazazi ukuthi ngumuntu
report them
onjani.
though?
No, I wouldn't.
You just quiet and
Into engingamcela yona nje ukuthi hayi Mbhemu ngiyacela bandla ngizukwazi.
yeah.
Ngezimo ezu1 no2 no3.
Jojo,
Hayi
I
ke.
see.
Angazi mhlawumbe.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
what I also like to, before we wrap it up, guys, we're about to wrap it up. So we have a new initiative here on our podcast. So if you like to advertise for your business, if you have a product or if you have any service with your business and you would like to, use our platform for advertisement, just, have a shout out, and just, let us know. There's going to be an email that we put up on the screen here. And also, don't forget to subscribe, guys.
Yes.
Don't forget to subscribe. Just to bring up the numbers. So basically, our podcast is doing good in terms of numbers. I see your guys shout out, the likes, the comments. So just continue, guys. Continue. Just click on the subscriber button and click the like, comments. Yabo. So if you would like to have on as a co-host, you just put in those.
Please.
Yeah, just put in those 5 emojis. Put on those 5 emojis. Or if it's thumbs down, put the thumbs down.
Look at you.
Yeah, otherwise, guys, it's been an awesome episode with Charmaine. So I'm sure you have a lot of good things in the future that you would like to for it to happen. So we appreciate you for coming in. So we wish you, a very good future going forward, all your business endeavors and everything.
Yeah. Thank you so much for inviting me, guys. It was all chilled and it was nice, laid back. And
No.
yeah, so thank you guys for having me. And don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. And thank you so much for actually tuning in. Siyabonga kakhulu.
We're out.
Yeah.
Peace out.
Bye.
The Multiple Streets Podcast.